Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an art journal collage with a cute little girl and some rainbows. I'm using my brand new stamp set from the Rubber Dance October release and it's called What a Girl Wants. I'm working in my mini envelope art journal. I will link up a tutorial for these kind of journals in the top right corner info box. I'm adding some papers for my stash. These are printed images that I've made from scans from my artwork. And I use gel medium to glue everything down. I also use leftover jelly prints, and I am not sure at the moment, but maybe I also will use other stuff that is in my mixed media box. I have stamped images in there that I haven't used, or jelly prints, or any kind of pattern papers. My next layer is some acrylic paint. I just add it with my fingers until I'm happy with the result. To create some interest, I'm removing some of the wet paint through a stencil. I make some scribble marks with a pencil into the wet paint. One thing I really love to do is add some splatters to a page. This time I'm using acrylic inks. I make some more marks with the Faber-Castell Magnus watercolor pencil. This is my favorite black watercolor pencil. I just dip the nib into water to get the deep black line. I add some more white paint because I feel that the page is much too dark. That's what I really love. I love to play intuitively, and when I don't like something, I just cover it up until I'm happy. When everything is dry, I add some stamping. I use StazOn ink because it dries very quick on acrylic paint. I'm using the rainbow from the Water Girl 1 stamp set. I'm using different texture stamps from the set to create some more interest on the background. I'm using new color crayons to add in some more color. Finally, I'm placing the cute little girly to my page. I also add a cloud and my sentiment. The sentiment is created with our Mix Sentiment stamp sets and also with our journal words. These stamp sets are really perfect. You can stamp them to a sheet of paper and then cut the words out that you need. An option is to use embossing powder and, for example, emboss some white powder on a darker background so you have some kind of a label maker effect. This was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope we see us next time. Bye!